Have you ever looked at your life and felt like the version of you that once made sense does not fit anymore? The things you used to tolerate before now drain you. The goals that you once chased no longer excite you. The role that you played for years suddenly feels heavy. And somewhere inside, you feel caught up between the two versions of yourself, the person you've always been till now and the person you're slowly becoming. And the space in between, well, that can be very, very confusing, lonely, and actually even scary. But today we are going to talk about why this happens and why it may actually be a sign of deep personal growth and that you're finally, you know, coming to being the real you. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today we are talking about something a lot of us experience during periods of transformation. When your old identity, it no longer fits in. Because growth doesn't only change your daily habits, it also changes the way you think, the way you value yourself, what you tolerate, what you don't tolerate anymore, what you desire from life, what means to you, what does not mean anything to you, everything. And eventually, the version of you that once helped you survive may actually no longer align with the woman you are becoming today. And while this shift is very powerful because it's all about your personal growth, it can also feel very uncomfortable because you are suddenly becoming this person you never were. Your ideas are changing, your perspective is changing, your beliefs are changing, everything is changing because identity is changing. And identity change can feel like you're losing yourself before fully finding yourself again. So today let's explore how to recognize this transition that is happening with you and how to move through it with more compassion and clarity. Firstly, now, whatever felt normal earlier to you now feels misaligned. And one of the first signs of this is that things that you were accepting before no longer feel right. So certain conversations, they drain you. Certain environments feel heavy. Certain patterns don't align with your emotional needs anymore. And this does not mean that you're being difficult or suddenly you've, oh my God, become this vamp. No, it means your awareness is evolving. You are growing. Secondly, you feel emotionally very, very restless. See, when your identity begins to shift, you feel there's this internal restlessness inside of you, not because you know exactly what you want, no, but because you know that the old version of you is no longer fitting in. And this emotional discomfort is the beginning of your transformation, remember that. Thirdly, you start questioning the roles that you've been playing till now. So we all in our lifetime play multiple roles. And many women spend years becoming who they needed to be for others. For example, you're the strong one for everybody, you're the responsible one, you are the people pleaser, you're always trying to keep everybody happy, you're the caretaker, you're always taking care of people. But eventually, a deeper question begins to rise inside of you. Who am I beneath all these roles? You've been this perfect mother, daughter, daughter in law, sister, friend, everything, but who are you? And that question changes everything. Fourthly, you fear losing familiarity. So, identity shift can be very, very frightening because we all feel comfortable in our comfort zone. We all feel safer in familiar spaces. So, even when the old version of you is exhausted and disconnected and unhappy, you still feel safer to be in that version. A part of you, of course, wants all the growth, but the major part of you fears what this changing is going to cost you. And this inner conflict is very, very normal. We all go through it, every time we are evolving or upscaling. Number 5, you are being asked to reintroduce yourself to yourself. Okay? And this is the most important of it all. It's the most important shift. You are not losing yourself. You are meeting a new version of yourself. So you are meeting this more honest version, this more authentic version, this more aligned version, this more conscious version. And instead of forcing yourself back into the old identity, this phase is actually calling you out. It's inviting you to now connect with this new you, this new version of yourself. So, well, if today's episode resonated with you, like, comment, share it with somebody who needs to hear this today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Flight to Fulfillment podcast on either YouTube or Substack or Apple or Spotify, wherever you're more comfortable, so that you don't miss out on a single dose of inspiration coming your way. Until next time, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now. But I want you to remember this. Outgrowing an old identity is not failure. It is transformation. And remember that you're allowed to evolve, you're allowed to change, you're allowed to just move out and no longer fit into the version of yourself that you had built in the past. Because you are living in the present, moving into the future. So get introduced to the new you, get introduced to the new version of yourself and align with it. Honor your evolution, trust your inner shift, and remember that you are not becoming somebody else, you are actually becoming more and more of yourself. I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.